Hello. I only fell down the mechanical keyboard rabbit hole a few months ago, so it's entirely possible I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But since no one else out there seems to have shared a video with a modded Keychron K1 SE, I thought it might as well be me. And if you own a low-profile keyboard like the K1 SE and are wondering if you should put the time into modding it, then this video might be for you. The K1 SE is a pretty nice keyboard right out of the box, but it feels like this basic keyboard has no business sounding and feeling this good after a few simple mods, at least to my novice ears and fingers. To reduce room bounce, all recordings were done in a sound room with the keyboards resting on a sound-dampened surface, using consistent microphone placement and recording levels. When I can find a little more time, I hope to put together a more detailed video with things you might want to know about modding the K1 SE in particular, but for now, I thought I'd at least share with you the juicy before and after sound comparisons. And for comparison with keyboards you might be more familiar with, I threw in a Logitech MX Keys membrane keyboard and the full-profile Keychron K2. As mentioned, I hope to be able to share the teardown and mod up details that are particular to the K1 SE in the next video. For more general information about how to perform mods, please see the links in the description to some other great channels that cover those topics better than I possibly could. I should also tell you, I don't expect this channel will be dedicated to mechanical keyboards in the long run. I mean, you never know, but fair warning that your subscription may provide you with less about mechanical keyboards and more discussions about the fundamental properties of a society, government, human interactions, and the internet. I will be back to you with at least one more keyboard video with all the K1 SE goodies, but hope you at least found this preview to be elucidacious.